So here we will look at the mechanism of menopause that caused by the lower level of estrogen. This is the graph of estrogen level against the age of woman. During puberty, estrogen level increases to develop female secondary sexual characteristics. During adolescence, they begin to have menstrual cycle. So during menstrual cycle, estrogen level fluctuates but it still remains high. Now during pregnancy, estrogen level will rise in order to prepare the female for parturition and breastfeeding. Then again, there is normal menstrual cycle with estrogen level fluctuating until about 40 years old. In early menopause, the estrogen levels are relatively stable. However, towards the end of menopause, females have the drop of estrogen level. So after years of menopause, you have post-menopause where estrogen concentration are very low and there is no more menstruation. For more details, let's look at this hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Just after the woman experiences period, hypothalamus produces hormone called gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH to stimulate the anterior pituitary to produce and release FSH. This FSH will travel to the ovary, which are the female gonad tissue that make the female egg. This FSH will stimulate the maturation of primordial follicle in ovaries. There are thousands of primordial follicles that are ready to mature in ovary and each follicle has FSH receptor. In the presence of FSH, some of these follicles will mature and begin to produce estrogen. However, only one follicle that will mature faster and ovulated to release the egg. Then this ovulated follicle will become corpus luteum and will be degenerated. So this is the normal menstrual cycle. Now it is easier to understand how menopause occurs. When follicle is depleted, the woman is said to hit menopause. In early menopause, there is still some follicle maturing so that estrogen is still there and being produced. However, by the time less estrogen is being produced, and this will stimulate the release of more FSH and cause the follicle to desensitize to FSH. Therefore, so much FSH will not work on follicle. As a result, this follicle is not ovulated. So no ovulation will cause the menopause.